Whoa. Is that fun? Let's go. All right, this is the store that we wanted to check out. Come on, Pipa. Let's go. Let's see. Maybe we should get some buko pie, huh? What's my baby doing? Look at my baby over there. Oh my goodness. And chicharron. Nuts. What's that, babe? This is on the buko pie. You like the Christmas lights? Right there, there's...
Christmas tree.
Try that. Free taste. Try it first. Okay, show Daddy Christmas lights. Over here, go over here. She wanted to show you guys this Christmas tree. I thought they had Christmas lights. That's just for decoration. Let's get the buko pie.
Toasted pastillas.
What's that?
This is chocolate flakes. Nagka-cut ka mo, Dai? Yes. Pa-cut ka daw.
Show us what you got.
This
Buko
is
pie.
buko pie, ube, halaya, and espasol.
Okay, let's go.
Still hot, you know?
What's up, guys? We just want to show you our place that we're staying here in Naga City. This is just a carport area, which is actually just, you know, just a hangout area. This is actually one of the best places, I think, that I've ever stayed at here in Naga City. But this is the front room, the family room. We got a TV here. There's Pipa. This is the yeah, just a lounge area. Hi, baby. We're just gonna show them this this Airbnb that we have here. You're doing books? Cool. I'm gonna show them the house, okay? And then here's like a little bookshelf here. Goes up to the staircase. And then we have the kitchen. Pretty nice, fully stocked kitchen. Plates, silverware, cleaning, chemicals, everything. Then we have the bathroom, of course, here. Let me let you guys go upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms here. Here's just another angle. If you guys are wondering like why we're always in Nagas, because this is the only place around here where we're staying in Buhi, Iriga, that has good internet. Uh-oh, there's my baby. That's some nice lights right up here. Okay, we're going to 1. This is where Pipa and Mommy are sleeping. Wow. There's a little work area here. There's a TV, and just to let you guys know, there's it's Netflix in there. Really cool. Really nice, comfortable bed for my girls to sleep on, and of course, aircon. That's very important. And the bathroom is actually really nice. The bathroom, pretty big. Okay. And then, so this is a different angle. Hi, baby.
I fixed this first.
Okay, do you like your room?
Yeah, but
We're gonna show them the second room. You wanna come with Daddy?
but I want this first.
Okay, well, I'll meet you in the other room, okay?
Daddy, you have to wait.
I have to wait? Oh my goodness. That looks nice now. Why don't you show them where Daddy's gonna work? Let's go see the room where Daddy's gonna work, which is bedroom number 2. If you go down this hallway here and we turn left, bedroom number 2. This is where I'm gonna be working. So there's a pretty comfy couch here. There's a bottom part that rolls out.
And this is
Slippers and toiletries. And so there's 2 workspaces here. Got some cabinets there. AC, of course. So this is a really nice,
hey, this is
it's really geared, this place is really geared towards remote workers. So it's really cool. I really appreciate the host for doing this. And so that's about it. This is where I'll probably be, well, I'm definitely going to be working here, and I'm probably going to be sleeping here too. Come on, let's go.
1.
Are we going to go to 1? Okay. Whoa. Okay, say bye to everyone. Say bye-bye to everyone. She doesn't want to let you guys go, but Daddy has to work, so Daddy can pay for this, okay? Love you guys. Bye-bye.
No.
Hi, everyone. Show this one right here. We're gonna see. Which one is it? Black Adam is what we're gonna see. And number 3. Okay, go. Ready? No, mommy. Woo! Yay! Whoa! Good. Wow! Yay! Okay, mommy. Go. Yep. That is her. Wow! You did it!